Today we will show how to use VVDI MB Tool with WEIXY MB Full Test Platform Pro to calculate key password from a Mercedes-Benz W210 EIS on the bench by fast mode. Step 1. Test 𝐄𝐒𝐓 emulator function. Plug in the power adapter and switch on the WEIXY MB Full Test Platform Pro. Use the test cable to connect the Mercedes W210 EIS to the WEIXY MB Full Test Platform Pro. Please note, the steering lock emulator is disabled in fast mode. Now we switch the mode to fast for testing. Key won't turn. Steering lock emulator is inactive. Switch the mode to test mode. The key turns smoothly. The 𝐄𝐒𝐓 emulator function is working perfectly. No need for the original ESL. Step 2. Collect password data in fast mode. Connect the WEIXY MB Full Test Platform Pro to the VVDI MB Tool. Set the WEIXY MB Full Test Platform Pro to VVDI mode. Switch the mode button to fast mode. Please note, the W210 EIS requires prior activation for communication. Now, insert the VVDI MB Tool IR adapter into the EIS. In the software, double-click to enter password calculation. Check the box for select this if lost all working key. Keep the connection mode as OBD. In the chassis drop-down menu, select the W210 fast option. Then click Data Acquisition to start collecting data. The software may display a complex wiring diagram. However, with the WEIXY MB Full Test Platform Pro, this isn't necessary. Simply plug and play. Click Next to skip the wiring prompt. Then click OK to start reading. The software will begin collecting data. The collection time depends on the programmer, so please wait patiently. During the process, the device will emit rhythmic beeps. This is a normal operational signal. Please do not disconnect the power. Once data collection is complete, click to save it. Then click Upload Data to upload the data for server to calculate the key password. Data upload complete. Now just wait for the server decryption. Next, you will get the key password. Once you have the key password, you can proceed to program the new key. W210 EIS All Keys Lost Key Password Collection by Fast Mode is fully successful. Using the WEIXY MB Full Test Platform Pro makes automotive electronics repair easier, faster, and more efficient.